Hey guys, Denzer5031, and I am back with part 5 of my comeback. This time it's going to be on the Lego Kingdom, Blacksmith attack. I forget the set number again. I'm sorry. And I don't know where the box or instructions are, so I can't find it. Yeah, it's, ages 6 to 12, and it is 102 pieces, and it retails for $10. So we'll start off with the minifigures. First off, you get the Blacksmith. He's got the hood. He's got a double-sided face. This could be when he's working, just kind of minding his own beeswax. This could be when the knight attacks him. And yeah, those are printed legs. Of course he has a double-sided torso. And the hood is continued printed on the back. I think that's pretty cool. At least that's what I think it is. If not, that's still pretty cool printing. Yeah. So I gave him a Heroica axe because this set comes with all the Heroica weapons from Lego games. So yeah, I gave him the axe, and he's got a hammer. And here is the Dragon Knight. He's pretty cool. Lots of detailing on him. I mean, Lego just did an amazing job on this guy. Oops, sorry. Yeah, you can see there's like chains and all that good stuff. Some more on the front. He's just got a gunmetal sword and a shield. Some legs printing. And there's his face. We've all seen this face before in like Agents and City, maybe in Aqua Raiders and Atlantis, I'm not sure. Yeah, so there's the minifigures. Take them out of the way. And you get this little display stand, I guess, for all the stuff. You get a bucket right here. And a little I guess a nugget of gold, I don't know. Crossbow. All the weapons in the set are Heroica, by the way, except for the shield, sword, and hammers. Yes, I did say hammers, because you do actually get a couple of hammers in the set. Yeah, and then you also got this little chest plate thingy, and a chicken. I have no idea why. Yeah. So then onto the actual blacksmith shop. First off, over here you got like a furnace or whatever. I just popped a knife right up there because I couldn't find anywhere else to fit it. And I didn't want to have a bunch of loose crap hanging around. Yeah, so there's the flames, the knife. Now that is not a standard Lego knife, that is Heroica. Yeah, it's kind of angled, so they just built it like that. Sorry, that's our phone, if you heard that. And if you can see, you can bend this down kind of, and it'll make it go up and hit it, the hammer. So right here, you got an anvil with like this sword/dagger thing. I'll take off the anvil. Yeah, basically the main feature is that, you can rotate this, wheel, the water wheel, and, it'll, like, you can kind of see how that works. It just presses this part down, which lifts it up. Yeah. Anyways, I give this set maybe a 9. Could have been a little bigger or had a little bit more stuff. But it's definitely a good price per piece ratio. And, yeah.